I want to share with you this new thing that I just found, which is the COVID-19 tracker from Bing. It was made by Microsoft team. It's an outstanding and fantastic work. You can find the total confirmed cases here updated 2 minutes ago. You can find active cases, recovered cases, fatal cases. And here is the map. It's a hero map from Nokia. And you can actually check on countries all the total cases with detail. Which is also interesting is that you can find here, if we say California, United States, it takes us automatically to California and you can see more details in here. Not only this, but you can find the spread over time graph, which shows the spread of the COVID-19 in California alone. Here we can find confirmed cases by date and fatal cases. Also, down below, we can find help information from Twitter, news from all over the website, news websites, and videos from YouTube. So it's all here. It's a great work that I find. I guess it's done using Azure platform. I don't know which technology it is, but I'm very interested in making a tutorial on how to make the same thing using Google Maps and plain JavaScript. What do you think, people? This is my first video tutorial. I hope that you're gonna like it, and stay tuned.